I have had this Canon 70D for about a year and a half, maybe a little longer. And for the last couple of weeks, I've just been pondering maybe it's time for an upgrade. Get up to something that's a little bit more cinematic, that has a little bit more in the way of features. I'm like, I guess it's because I'm comfortable with this camera, this 70D, that there's still this little bit of fear in what it means to switch. I've been looking at the Sony a6500, thanks Burka. A friend of mine actually talked me out of that and said if I'm gonna make the jump, it's better to go with the the Sony a6500 because it's got more features. I think it's because I'm so comfortable with this Canon that there's still like this little bit of fear on should I actually make the jump. There's a gal on Facebook Marketplace here in St. Louis that has a 6500 for sale. I inquired about a week ago to see if she still had it. She did. The ad is still there. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger. If she's got it, I'm buying it. So it worked out. The gal got back to me and I am on my way to buy this new camera. At least I think I'm gonna buy it. I have a very strong feeling that I'm gonna buy this camera. Cool thing is, this gal is a YouTuber herself. She's agreed to be in this little video, so we'll get to meet her, see what her channel's all about, maybe see if she wants to get in on the No Small Creator movement. I just bought a camera. Say your name so I don't butcher it.
So I'm Maniara. You can find me on Queen Sit Productions on all social media platforms.
Cool. I'm gonna link her channel down in the description. Told her about the No Small Creator movement. Hopefully you can get her involved there too. I'm looking forward to get into this. Thanks for making a good deal.
All right, nice meeting you. And he's gonna love this camera.
I don't doubt that for a second. Now I'll be up too late tonight messing with this. I ain't sorry.